Several independent studies have proven and supported the claims to the many health benefits of ginger. Let's go a bit deeper into the benefits of ginger. Gastrointestinal issues. When you hear or you see ginger, what usually comes to mind is digestive issues. You are right. Ginger does promote digestion as well as helps to relieve nausea and or vomiting. It does help to stimulate digestive enzymes during meals and helps us to absorb most of the nutrients from the food. It has been used successfully for many years as a remedy for gas, bloating, indigestion, some stomach upset, and even motion sickness. It helps to increase the motility or movement of food in the GI tract so that food is not staying too long in our stomach, which aids in preventing constipation.